Stop scrolling for a moment because this is important. In 2026, YouTube made one of the biggest changes ever to the Shorts algorithm, and most creators still don't understand it. Before this update, getting views depended a lot on subscribers, posting history, and channel size. But now YouTube is testing every short individually. That means every single short you upload gets a fresh chance to go viral, even if your channel is brand new and has 0 subscribers. Here is how the new system works. When you upload a short, YouTube first shows it to a small group of people. If those people watch your video till the end, replay it, or save it, YouTube understands that your content is valuable. Once that happens, YouTube starts pushing the same short to more and more users automatically. Subscribers are no longer the main factor. Viewer behavior is. Watch time is the #1 signal in 2026. If someone watches your short for the full duration, that is a strong positive signal. Replays are even more powerful. If people watch your short again, YouTube treats it as high-quality content. Saves are also extremely important now. If someone saves your short, YouTube assumes they want to come back to it later. This is why short, engaging, fast-paced videos perform better than long and slow ones. The first 2 seconds of your short are the most important part. If you fail to grab attention there, the algorithm stops pushing your video. That is why you must start with a strong hook. Ask a question, show a shocking statement, or promise value immediately. Use big, clear text so people understand your message even without sound. Most users scroll shorts with the volume off. Keep your clips fast. Change scenes every 1 to 2 seconds to avoid boredom. Do not add long intros or logos. Go straight to the point. If you follow these rules, YouTube will continue testing and pushing your shorts again and again. This update has made YouTube Shorts one of the best opportunities for small creators in 2026. If you stay consistent, focus on retention, and create value, growth is no longer luck. It is a system. Follow for more YouTube updates, growth tips, and short strategies.